If you want to learn a language faster and sound way more native, AI is your secret weapon. Today I'll show you the exact tools I use and how to stack them into a simple daily routine. First, your AI tutor. Fire up ChatGPT or Claude and say, "You're my friendly Spanish tutor. My level is A2. Teach me 10 phrases for ordering coffee. Explain like I'm 5, then quiz me." Boom! Instant mini lesson tailored to you. Ask for cultural notes and slang so it sounds native, not textbook. Second, pronunciation. Upload a sentence to Elsa Speak or Speechling and mimic the feedback till you hit green. If you prefer free, use Youglish. Type a phrase, hear dozens of natives say it in real videos, then shadow the line out loud. Record yourself on your phone and compare waveforms. Nerdy, but it works. Third, immersion without overwhelm. Install Language Reactor for YouTube or Netflix. Watch a short clip with dual subtitles. Tap any word to see instant definitions and examples. Pro tip: switch to only native subs, pause, predict the meaning, then check yourself. That tiny struggle cements memory. Fourth, vocab on autopilot. After each session, ask ChatGPT, "Make me 15 Anki cards from this transcript." Use sentence close deletions and example audio links. Import to Anki, review daily. 5 minutes feels small, but compounds like crazy. Fifth, conversation. Anytime. Use ChatGPT Voice or TalkPal for low-pressure speaking reps. Say, "Pretend you're a friendly Parisian barista. Keep replies under 15 words. Correct me lightly, keep it playful, keep it frequent." Sixth, context-first translation. Use DeepL to sanity check meaning, but always glance at the original before translating. Add a note. Explain connotations and formality. You'll stop sounding like a robot and start sounding like a local. Seventh, capture the world. With Whisper or your phone's voice memo, transcribe phrases you hear in podcasts, shows, or the street. Later, paste chunks into an AI tutor. Simplify, translate, and give me 3 near-native alternatives. Save your favorites to Anki. Okay, here's a simple 20-20-20 daily stack. Minutes 05. Warm-up. Quick AI quiz from yesterday's vocab. 5:15. Pronunciation. Elsa or Youglish shadowing, record and compare. 15:30. Immersion. 1 video scene with Language Reactor. Collect 10 phrases. 30:35. Chat with an AI persona. Keep it scenario-based. Travel, work, dating. 35:40. Anki review. Done. Weekly upgrades. 1 voice check where you read a paragraph. Get AI feedback on rhythm and stress. 1 culture dive. Ask AI for idioms locals actually use this month. Memes, sports, news. 1 real human chat. italki, tandem, or a friend. AI builds confidence. People build soul.